Pizza is one of the most beloved foods in the world, but did you know that it has a rich history dating back to ancient Rome? From its humble beginnings as a street food to the delicious variety of styles we enjoy today, pizza has come a long way. Are you ready to take a tasty journey through the history of pizza? Join us as we uncover some surprising facts and mouth-watering moments in this video. Welcome to NAS Area Studio. Pizza is a beloved food that is enjoyed by people all over the world. But did you know that the origins of pizza can be traced back to ancient Rome? In this video, we'll take a journey through the history of pizza and uncover some surprising facts that you may not know about this beloved food. If you're a pizza lover, this video is definitely for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest food adventures and hit the notification bell to be the first to watch our new videos. Pizza, oh pizza, the delicious, gooey, cheesy treat that we all know and love. But did you know that pizza has a rich history dating back to ancient Rome? In this video, we're going to take a tasty trip through the history of pizza, uncovering some surprising facts and mouth-watering moments along the way. Ancient Rome. The first pizza-like foods. While pizza as we know it today didn't exist in ancient Rome, there were similar foods that were enjoyed. The ancient Romans would often indulge in a flatbread known as placenta, which was topped with ingredients like oil, herbs, and cheese. These flatbreads were a staple for the lower classes. Medieval Italy. Pizza as a street food. Fast forward to medieval Italy, and pizza began to take shape. The pizza of this time was made with a simple dough, topped with tomatoes and cheese, and then baked in a wood-fired oven. It was primarily a street food that was sold by vendors to the working class. 19th century Naples. Pizza Margherita and the birth of modern pizza. Pizza truly became a beloved food in the 19th century in Naples, Italy. It was here that the pizza Margherita was born, a pizza topped with tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and basil. This pizza was created in honor of Queen Margherita of Savoy, who was visiting Naples at the time. It was a hit with the Queen and soon became the most popular pizza in Italy. Pizza in America. The immigrant experience and pizza's popularity in America. Pizza made its way to America in the late 19th century with Italian immigrants. At first, it was only popular in areas with large Italian populations, but soon it spread to the rest of the country. Today, pizza is one of the most popular foods in America and can be found in almost every city and town. Pizza today. Pizza's global reach and variety of styles. Pizza has come a long way from its ancient Roman roots. Today, pizza is enjoyed all over the world and has many different styles, from Neapolitan to Chicago deep dish. There are even unique and creative toppings such as sushi and mac and cheese. We hope you enjoyed taking this tasty journey through the history of pizza with us. From ancient Rome to modern day, pizza has come a long way and has become a beloved food enjoyed by people all over the world. So next time you take a bite of your favorite pizza, remember the rich history behind it and all the different styles and toppings that have evolved over time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next food adventure.